Good evening mga brother. Day 73 na tayo. Let's go. Kain muna tayong saging. Ay, let's go mga brother. Time check, 11:30 p.m. 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K. Let's go. Let's go. 5K done mga brother. Whew, thank you. And always keep safe everyone. GG's. Bye-bye. 5.7 kilometers. 365 calories. 5 speed. Nag-slow down na tayo dun. 52 minutes almost.